This is a rare antique Singer model 115 with Tiffany decals. Serial number is G6364916, which dates it from 1918. It's one of 25,000 that were produced that year, compared to the standard model 15, which was in excess, I think it was 200,000 machines were produced that year. So it's about 10% of standard production. The hand crank is mine. The wood stand is mine. There's a hub. You can mount a hand crank or a motor. It is a treadle machine. And the 115, what makes it different is there's a different bobbin assembly and underneath how the machine operates. But it does appear as a Model 15 from the top. And just to show you, I've got 6 layers of denim. They were already stitched once for photo used in the ad, and just show you how well it works. There you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.